For this question, we are just using the cosine rule, but it's slightly harder because we're working with algebra, okay? But you should see the reason why we're using the cosine rule is because it's a non-right angle triangle and we're interested in 3 sides and 1 angle. Okay, so the first step is label it. So you've got angle A, that's the only angle you're given, that's opposite side A, and then B and C are the other 2 sides. Then you're going to use your cosine rule, which is on your formula booklet, which I've copied out there, and then you just substitute in. So A is 2 root 7, so instead of A squared I write 2 root 7 squared. B is 2x minus 1, so instead of B squared I write 2x minus 1 squared. C is 2x plus 1, instead of C squared I write 2x plus 1, and so on. Okay, and when you get to angle A you're going to write in 60. So then I'm just simplifying. So 2 root 7 is 28, you can do that on your calculator. 2x minus 1 squared. Now remember, if something's squared, it means it's multiplied by itself. So you have to multiply that bracket by itself. That would give me 4x squared minus 2x plus 1, which is 4x squared minus 4x plus 1, okay, which is what I've got there. I've done the same with that bracket. I've done the same with those 2 brackets, so 2x squared plus 2x minus 2x, that's 0 minus 1 gives me this. That's times by 2. Cosine of 60 is half. Okay, I just did that on my calculator. And then I'm simplifying, so I've still got 28 on the left-hand side. That I haven't simplified yet. That I haven't simplified that yet. This, you've got 3 things multiplied together, 2 of which are 2 and a half. 2 times half is 1. Remember, multiplication, you can do it in any order. So I can do the 2 times half first, which is just 1. So I'm actually just going to be left with negative this bracket. So negative 4x squared plus 1. Okay, because the whole bracket's negative. So I've got to change the signs of the 4x squared and the minus 1 to minus 4x squared and plus 1. Then I simplify. So I've got 4x squared plus 4x squared minus 4x squared, which is 4x squared. I've got a minus 4x and a plus 4x, which is 0, and I've got a 1, 1, and 1, which is 3. Then I want to solve this, so I've taken away 28 from both sides to get this quadratic. To factorize this, it's the difference of 2 squares. You could also solve it by doing 4x squared equals 25. Divide by 4 on both sides. X is going to be plus or minus root 25 over 4, which is plus or minus 5 over 2. Okay, so either positive 5 over 2 or negative 5 over 2, which is also what I got here. We can't have a negative 5 over 2 as our answer because that would make these 2 sides negative, so that wouldn't work. So we just take the positive 5 over 2 as our answer.